Some big changes on the way for notaries in Alabama when the Alabama Notary Accountability Act takes effect on September 1st.
And the process to become an official notary will now require a few more steps, and many veteran notaries want to make sure that current notaries aren't caught off guard.
WBRC's Taylor Pollock on your side tonight, looking at what the new law means for you.
Yeah, and Taylor, are these new rules going to make it more difficult to become a notary or even find one in the state?
Well, Steve, Brittany, there are certainly more requirements than there have been in years past, but one notary that I spoke with says at the end of the day, it means she can earn more money. And legal experts say it's not only an added layer of protection for Alabama's notaries, but for anyone who uses them.
We only got paid $5 per notarization, and now we will be paid $10 per notarization.
Melissa Watts has been a notary for years. Her company, Notary Know-How, is making stops across the state educating others on the changes to the profession that go into effect September 1st.
You need to be going online and applying now for that, because you have to apply for that, then you have to get a bond, then you have to do a training program, then you have to take all that back to the courthouse. So it's a much longer process than it ever has been before.
The process will now take as long as 2 weeks, requires training, and ups the amount of bond a notary must buy. Watts says it's important others know what to expect.
If your notary commission expires and you have not yet received your approval in the mail and everything, then there's a lag time there where you may not perform any notarial act.
If you practice without going through the process, you could face criminal, possibly even felony charges.
Impersonating a notary when you're not actually a notary. So that's any sort of signing of documents as a notary. If you don't actually have a stamp, you're not approved by the probate court, you haven't paid your fees, you could be charged with some sort of theft. Because what you're actually doing when you're being paid to be a notary, you're not actually a notary, is you're stealing money from individuals.
Creighton says these new revisions protect not just notaries, but anyone who uses them.
The people that are having things notarized, it protects them as well. If their notary has gone through these classes, if their notary has filed with the probate court, if their notary has paid all their fees, they know that this notary is up to par.
Again, these revisions go into effect September 1st. We have more resources notaries can use over on our website. Brittany.